The Rotary Club of Ikeja has partnered with WISE, Women in Science and Engineering, and several other sponsors to celebrate the girl child through a STEM engagement workshop with the theme Closing the Social, Economic and Gender Divide in STEM.
And we are here to encourage every girl child that you can do well in your sciences, in your technology, in your engineering, and in maths. Please give yourself a round of applause. It's not a mistake that you are in the science field. You are going to excel in the name of God. Amen. So you know what you need to do? You need to be confident. You need to be determined. That is what you need to equip yourself with, to be able to find yourself in whatever field you want to grow or you want to develop yourself. Are we together?
The training was held by successful women in the fields of technology and science. For these trainers, it presented an opportunity to give back to their community and their alma mater, Ikeja Girls Senior High School, which served as the venue for the workshop.
Whatever it is you want to do in the future, now, stay focused, stay determined. Make a resolve to say that I will give it what it takes. I will get there. I want to become a doctor. I will make the top grade. I will study. And I said something. One of us, Eniola, she's not here, but she's an education psychologist. And all she does is, she just helps you reprogram yourself to understand that if you failed in the past before, it does not mean you are a failure. You are not a failure. Can you all repeat that? You are not a mistake. Can you repeat that? So forget the failures of the past and make resolutions to say that from today onwards, things are going to change.
It's a big thing, the engagement in science, technology, engineering and mathematics for the girls. They are here giving back to the girls, trying to inculcate in them diligence, focus ideas, vision, not just to dream, to turn dreams into vision, that they can achieve whatever it is they want to achieve, and that being girls, they should not be scared. They should not be scared of going into fields that's even dominated by men, that they should see themselves at the top, and when they are focused, they will get to that top. So this afternoon, I say a big thank you to them. I know that for my girls here, some of them have changed their mindset already. Some of them are ready to venture into that field previously dominated by men. Some of them this afternoon, their mindsets have changed, that they have to be diligent. They can see ladies in engineering, ladies in ICT, ladies in a lot of fields previously being dominated by men.
Participants were equipped with essential knowledge to pursue careers in technology, and awareness were raised regarding strategies to challenge societal stereotypes surrounding women in the technology sector.
Why the hype about STEM? It has been discovered that for everyone, not only ladies, but now particularly ladies that do STEM subjects or courses, whether in the sciences, whether technology, whether math, whether engineering, the ability to be able to think, to be able to analyze, to be able to reason out the facts and come to a very, very productive conclusion. That ability is being developed at that stage. I have a colleague, we were in university together, first degree. He read civil engineering and was the best graduating student of our set. But guess what? He's now a chartered accountant. He did not practice. But because he went through that course, there was something that he developed that enabled him to fit in. We have a lot of engineers in the financial sector. I also have a student that read mechanical engineering, graduated in first class. He's now a financial consultant. Why? Because there are abilities that you develop, critical thinking, innovation, ability to see problems, and not just see it as problems, but see the solutions in the problems.
The convener of this event, Mrs. Bolanle Okonlawon, reached out to us, the Rotary Club of Ikeja South, asking that we partner with them on this project, and gladly, for us, education is key. Basic education and literacy is one of our areas of focus, and we gladly jumped on it, and we're here partnering with them and also helping them give back to the society. So today we're giving out sanitary towels to the girls. We're giving them, educational books. We've given them bags. We've given them a whole lot of goodies to take home with them, and we've also given scholarships here today. We've empowered students. We've given back to teachers who have taught us over 20 years ago. And these girls, I want to tell you that they will go out there and become successful ladies in future.
The students expressed their heartfelt gratitude for the opportunity to attend the program.
STEM workshop program was a very impactful program which created awareness for us and which also enlightened us in so many ways. We were taught a lot of things about STEMs, how women has been stereotyped in the society from being part of STEM. And I want to give a big thank you to the organizers and those who spoke to us about it, because they really did a good job, because they set examples for us that really enlightened us.
I learned about different opportunities that we could go into, that's in the medical field, such like radiography, physiotherapy and all, and not to use this opportunity to thank the STEM enlargement workshop for being able to make the trip down to my school in order to enlighten us about all the things we could do and to enlighten us about having the capability to become high flyers.
What I've learned so far is that we should be passionate, and like the logo for girls is girls conquer. So yes, like you should be also kind and should like learn everything, you should understand everything. And even if you don't understand everything, our teachers always teach us. You can always ask questions.
The organizers also extended their appreciation to sponsors and collaborators for their invaluable support to the success of the event.